Now let's get into a little more depth on this question. If Options Weekly Paycheck System W can allow you to retire more quickly. If you want to take this concept and go with it, then you want to develop a plan. You want to learn the system. You want to master the system. You want to back test it historically, just so you know what you're doing. Then what you do is you don't put a lot of money into it because you don't really need to. You can trade short-term weekly options. You can start with a small amount and then prove yourself over time. But before you even do that, what you want to do is paper trade, and you want to keep very strict in trading the system so it turns into a habit of correct trading of the system. Prove to yourself on paper trading or demo trading first before even adding the tiniest amount of money into your trading account to trade. Check out more info below.